Welcome to my channel. Today's story is Believe Yourself. Once in a forest, there was a small bird who loved singing. One day, a big bird heard a small bird singing. Big bird was jealous and told the small bird, "Stop singing. You are too small and your voice is very bad." The small bird felt sad but didn't stop singing because she believed herself. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passed by the forest. He heard small bird beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. Moral of the story is practice makes perfect and believe in yourself. The success is at your footstep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.